You'll go over to the top right corner where there's a little person icon and go ahead and click that. Once there, you'll be able to edit your name, email, phone, and your mailing address, as well as update your password. You can also change your picture if you wish. And then it'll automatically save. When you make adjustments to here, you'll go ahead and click Save Profile. To return back to the main page, you'll go to the top left corner and click that, and that'll take you back to the Comping Tool page.